Welcome to my class. In this particular class, we will talk about some of the basic concepts relating to Internet. For example, we will talk about web page, home page, website, web server, browser, HTTP, hypertext and hyperlinks, upload, download, online, offline, and Internet surfing. We are making use of these words quite often, but we need to know the specific meaning so that we can understand the subject very well. So we will start with all these points one by one. The first one is web page. Web page is a part of website which contains information about the subject. So website contains number of pages and those pages are termed as web pages. These web pages contain information about a particular topic or about a particular subject. Home page. The very first page of the website is termed as home page. Each site has a home page. So the very first page which we see on different website, that is called as home page. This is the official access point into the site. From the home page, one can get an overview of the site and begin exploring it. The next one is website. In simple words, website is a program. It is a collection of web pages on a particular subject that includes a beginning page, and the beginning page, as we already said, is called as home page. So it includes a beginning page which is termed as home page. From the home page, the user can go to other pages on that website. Website is a program and this program is on a server. So we say that website resides on a server. Server is a computer. So website resides on server that runs special software which allows user to access web pages and to activate links to the other web pages. Web server. Web server is a computer on which website is installed. It makes web pages and websites available to browsers. They are the linking mechanism between user, people, and the web pages. Without web server, there would be no web because it is the web server which contains website. Website contains web pages and web pages are written in HTML language. Through hyperlinks, these pages are interconnected with each other. If there is no web server, then there would be no web. Web pages must reside somewhere on the web server connected to the internet in order to be accessed with a browser. There are literally millions of web servers on the internet, each of which may hold number of sites, which in turn may hold number of web pages. The server is responsible for delivering these pages to the web browser when it asks for it. That is, it serves web pages to browser. Web server consists of special hardware and software that makes it possible to carry out browser's request. Now, what is browser? To browse means to search. The term browser means something that allows to search. In the context of internet, the browser is a software installed on client machine to get connected to and access resources available on the internet. So we can say that browser is an application program that provides a way to look at and interact with all the information on the World Wide Web. Web browser is a client program that uses HyperText transfer protocol to make requests to web servers throughout the internet on behalf of the browser user. Now some of the example of browser are: the first one is Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator. These are some of the examples of web browser. The next one is Hypertext Transmission Protocol, HTTP. It is the main access protocol of the World Wide Web, but it is only one of the hundreds of communication protocols used on the internet. Web services also use HTTP to allow software components to communicate in order to share and exchange data. The next one is hypertext. It refers to the text that connects to other documents. These texts are known as hyperlinks. In other words, hypertext is the organization of information units into connected associations that a user can choose to make. An example of such an association is called a link or hypertext link. In simple words, those words over which you click your mouse pointer, those are hyperlinks, and the moment you click over them, they take you over to some other document. Hypertext was the main concept that led to the invention of World Wide Web, which is an enormous amount of information content connected by enormous number of hypertext links. Hypertext links. Hypertext links are the sources available in one page of the website that allows links to other pages, files, sites, and other internet services. It allows us to jump from one page to another page in the same document, or from one document to another, or from one site to another site. Hypertext Markup Language, HTML. It is a coding language used to create hypertext document or web documents for use on the World Wide Web. It enables the creator of web page to specify how text will or should be displayed in the browser's window. In HTML, the programmer can specify that a block of text or word is linked to other web pages, files, and internet services on the internet. They are meant to be viewed using a www client program called a web browser like Netscape Navigator, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, etc. Now upload. The term upload refers to act of moving data from one computer to another, generally to a server are a remote computer. The term download refers to act of copying, moving data, program, documents from internet or other connected computer to one's own computer. If you are copying some data from internet to your own computer, then this is termed as downloading. If you are moving a particular program from internet to your own computer, again it is downloading. The next one is online and offline. The term online refers to state of connectivity to internet. Therefore, when a person performs some action on computer while he is connected to another computer or network like internet, he or she is on live or live. The term offline is opposite of online and it refers to action performed by a person on computer when he is not connected to other computer or network like internet. Then he or she will be termed as offline. Internet surfing. Many of the servers on the internet provide information specializing on a topic or a subject. When a user is looking for some information, it may be necessary for him to look for such information from more than one server. www World Wide Web links the computer on the internet like a spider web, facilitating users to go from one computer to another directly. When a user keeps hopping, when a user keeps moving from one server to another server, it is called as surfing. So when a user keeps moving from one web server to another web server, it is called as internet surfing. Thank you very much.